start your presentation.
Hello, my name is Arthur. I am class 10. Thank you again to the opportunity to take any other topic. My topic name is kind of cheeky points between my friends or classmates, my younger sisters. I have got some common first. I have collected my information three kinds of people. They one of us Nusrat, Nava, and Mithila. First of all I have introduced there. Mithila and Nava is one of my classmates, and Mithila is also my youngest sister. As my comparative subject are mother smartness, number two is favorite color, number three is favorite hobby. And talk about this topic. Now, first of all, my mother works in house. She called housewife, and also mother's works in house housewife. Second topic is favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is reading story book. Nusha's favorite hobby is reading story book as me. And third topic is favorite color. My favorite color is pink, and my youngest sister Medina's favorite color is pink, and that is as well as a similarity between Mithila and me, and that's enough. Thank
Oh,
you so much.
wonderful.